Hi, this is Bob Wiley with the Wiley Group, Keller Williams Legacy, and we're at stage 2 now. The holes have been dug, the pins are in place. There are 10 total, and I wanted to give you just a quick view of what it looks like to have the pins in place. And if you see back here, this is one pin here. There's another back in the corner there, another over in that corner, and then one up on the side. So these are just 4 of the pins that are in place. The other 6 are in the back here, and we have again 2 in the corner, 1 on each side in the back, and then 1 on each side in the middle. So this is the second phase. After this is complete and the concrete is all cured, they'll remove the molds, they'll remove the forms, not the molds, and they'll remove the rest of the concrete and dirt, and they'll be able to start pinning the rest of the wall to be complete. We'll be able to finish this part of it probably by the end of the week. I'll have my next video for you in about 3 or 4 days. Thanks very much. I hope you enjoy it.